What if your computer could suddenly think like a supercomputer? No new hardware, no waiting, just 5 clicks away. This is iRender, a GPU-accelerated cloud render farm built for creators who can't afford to wait. Whether you're rendering in Cinema 4D, training a deep learning model, or running the heaviest Blender scene, the power of thousands of GPUs is just one login away. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to go from zero to a fully rendered project, start to finish. Let's get started. Step 1. Register. Head over to irendering.net. This is where everything begins. Click register, and in under a minute, your account is ready. Just your name, your email, and a phone number. That's all it takes. Step 2. Login via Wep App. The moment you log in, iRender walks you through everything with a simple 5-step guide. Upload file, create machine, boot and connect. Download file, shut down machine. Everything you need lives right here in the dashboard. Your machines, your files, your balance, even a credit back program that gives you 10% of every bill back as bonus points. Step 3. Payment. Choose the top-up amount you'd like, or simply enter a custom amount of your choice. Choose the payment method you'd like to use. Step 4. Transfer data. Go to the Download section to get the iRender GPU app and install it on your computer. Log into the app and upload your data to input Z:. It will automatically sync to your remote machine. Step 5. Create machine. Pick your package. Here we're using GPU Server 4S, an AMD Threadripper Pro CPU paired with 2 RTX 4090 GPUs. Name your machine, choose your OS, Windows 10, Windows 11, or Ubuntu, and you're almost there. Here's the part professionals love. Pre-installed software, Cinema 4D 2026, Redshift, the latest NVIDIA Studio driver, all ready before you even connect. Step 6. Boot and connect. Choose pay-as-you-go for total flexibility, or a rental plan to save up to 10%, like this 3-hour plan here. You even decide what happens when time runs out. Keep the machine running, or shut it down automatically. Once your machine is ready, connecting takes just 1 click. Choose the server location closest to you, Global, Seoul, or Vietnam, for the smoothest connection. And just like that, you're remotely inside a machine with 2 RTX 4090s, ready to render. Step 7. Render. One quick tip, don't work directly on the Z drive. Copy your files onto the desktop first. It keeps your render stable and avoids network hiccups. Your project opens exactly as it would on your own desktop. Cinema 4D, Redshift, all fully configured. Hit render and watch 2 RTX 4090s tear through frames that would take your desktop hours. This is what your computer becomes a supercomputer actually looks like. Step 8. Transfer result and shutdown. Once rendering is done, move your output files from the desktop over to the Output Y drive. That syncs them straight back to your computer. Hit the red shutdown button. This is the only action that stops billing. Leave the machine running and you keep paying, even while it sits idle. Then open the iRender app on your own PC and pull your finished files straight from the Output Y drive. That's it. Done. Step 9. Extra service. Need a hand? Our support team is online 24/7 to help with anything technical. Register, create a machine, connect, and render. That's the entire journey in 5 simple steps. Click Get Started below and see what thousands of GPUs can do for your next project. Turn your computer into a supercomputer. Your renders, your rules.